24-volt, all-intelligent battery charger. Using touch the button, and there will be a drip sound. Make the switch more sensitive without jamming. High-performance silence fan. The charger works continuously without heating. All-wrapped alligator clip. Safety in use. Repair function using high and low frequency pulse repair technology. Maximum activation of your battery. Charging function of winter-summer mode. Charger automatically identify outdoor temperature according to the season to give you the right battery voltage. Fall in winter, in summer, the battery will be charged automatically. Support multiple charging mode, ordinary battery, start-stop battery, motorcycle, automobile, lithium battery charging mode. You can switch freely without damaging the battery. Intelligent digital display current, temperature, and voltage. It can also detect the remaining power of the battery. Check battery status at any time. Simple operation. Full power automatic stop. More multiple protection. Let you use at ease. Wide adaptation range. It can be used for motorcycles, cars, trucks, engineering vehicles, starting and stopping batteries, lithium batteries, and all kinds of lead-acid batteries.